James Webb first targets. On Tuesday, NASA will be releasing the first images taken by the James Webb Space Telescope. These images will provide us with our first glimpse of nebula and an exoplanet. This is an exciting first step for JWST, which has been anxiously awaited by the astronomical community since its launch on Christmas Day. The James Webb Space Telescope is a massive new observatory that was launched last year. It is designed to study the universe in infrared light, which is invisible to human eyes. The telescope's primary mirror is nearly as large as a tennis court and is sensitive enough to detect the heat signature of an exoplanet. The pictures that will be released on Tuesday were taken in ultraviolet light, which is also invisible to human eyes. However, the telescope's instruments are sensitive enough to detect this light, and they have been specifically designed to study nebula and exoplanets. The release of these images marks a major milestone for the James Webb Space Telescope, and it will provide us with our first glimpse of these distant celestial bodies. On Friday, NASA announced the James Webb Space Telescope's JWST's first batch of full-color images. The targets include the Carina Nebula and the Southern Ring Nebula, which are bright areas of gas and other material. The Carina Nebula is a so-called stellar nursery where the stars are forming, and it is filled with massive stars that help make it one of the largest and brightest nebulas in the sky. JWST will offer unprecedented and detailed views of these objects, providing new insight into their structure and composition. James Webb's first image targets are two amazing galaxy groups, Stephan's Quintet and SMAC's 0723. Stephan's Quintet is a particularly photogenic group of galaxies that seem to be dancing around each other endlessly. SMAC's 0723 is a massive galaxy cluster that can act as a so-called gravitational lens, helping scientists see further into space and observe fainter galaxies. These two targets will be visible in fantastic high resolution next week. Thanks to James Webb, the telescope will also focus on the gas giant WASP 96b, half the mass of Jupiter and located 1,150 light-years away from Earth. The new instruments will give scientists insights into the composition of the planet's atmosphere. Scientists have applied to use a telescope, and the first year of observations has already been scheduled. JWST is expected to change our perspective on some aspects of the universe in the future. On July 12th, scientists and space enthusiasts alike will be treated to the first images from the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST. The highly anticipated event marks the beginning of what is sure to be a new era in astrophysics. JWST is a powerful telescope with unprecedented sensitivity and resolutions. Scientists have been eager to put it to use, and the telescope has already been fully booked for its first year of observations. While the images that will be unveiled on July 12th are sure to be impressive, they are just the tip of the iceberg. In the months and years to come, JWST is sure to change our understanding of the universe in profound ways.